How to add money to Apple Cash Card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add money to Apple Cash Card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Apple Wallet. Then choose your Apple Cash Card like this. You should see something like this. Now what you'll need to do is tap on the three dots on the top right. After you tap on it, you'll find an option called Add Money. Tap on Add Money. Then you'll see this pop-up where you can simply type in the amount of money that you want to add. Type that in. And you can simply tap on Add after that. After you tap on Add, you have then added money to your Apple Cash Card. And it's that simple. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and